Okay, so we did round, round, da, 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 da. From here, what you want to do is a jump, and you want to cross your legs so your right is in front of your left. So, looks like that. Yeah, I'm just going to show you to the front. So we did wah, 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 wah. From here, remember right in front of the left, and you want to say cross. Here, pretty simple, you just turn around like that. Yeah, so actually you were here, then cross, now you're turning to the front. So after you've turned around, you want to jump to the side, just like we did in the beginning where we did this, wah, wah, wah. So you want to jump to your right, and you want to say left, down, right, out. Let's try that again. So we're going to say we just turn around, now you want to say and jump, left, right. Let's just do that. So again, jump, left, right. 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump, left, right. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, left, right. And you kind of want to turn your body here, yeah? Woo. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, left, right. Now the arms are saying around, down. Yeah, so you're going around, down. Round, down. From here you want to say prep, so you want to take them up before you say cross. So I'm just going to combine it with the legs. I'm going to say and out. Try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and out. From here, you want to say prep, so you're taking your left down, and then right. So from here, prep, right. 5, 6, 7, 8, prep, right. Alright, so let's do jump, prep, right. 5, 6, 7, 8, prep, left, right. So from cross, your arms are gonna say roll your wrist up, and from here, right away, clap behind. So again, from here, you want to say, I'm just going to show you this at the front. You want to say around, roll them inwards, take them up, and then say down, clap. So from here, roll up, clap. Again, 7, 8, we go roll up, yeah, and it goes pretty fast, so it goes whoom. So again, with the legs from here, basically what you need to do is just take your your right in when you go up, and then you just want to say clap. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, roll up, clap, and 5, 6, 7, 8, roll up, clap. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, roll up, clap. Okay, so from roll up, clap, from here you want to swing your arms up, yeah, like that. And then my hands are going to come down again. And then I want to do sort of a sitting motion, a sitting position. And my right knee is popping out here, yeah? So roll up, clap, up, and down. Yeah, so when I come down here, I want to say sit, yeah? My arms are saying wrist. So from here, 7, 8, we're gonna go roll up, clap, hands up, down, sit. Now from sit, let's just do the last part as well. You want to take your right leg back, boom, left leg to the front, and then you want to say jump. Yeah, so you're swinging your right knee up like that. And then you basically just want to do a few jumps to turn all the way around. So let's just go from here. You want to go roll up, clap, swing your arms up, down, and then say sit. Then you want to take your right back, left to the front, and jump around. Jump around. Okay, let me just quickly explain the arms. So roll, clap, up, sit. Now you want to do as if you're holding a bow here. From here, you want to go right, left, yeah, and then you want to say here, yeah, so you're throwing your right hand into your left hand, and then you want to pull it back, and then say Superman. Alright, so let's try that again. From here, you want to say up, and sit, and pull back, hit it, and Superman. And then at the end there's a slow motion part, then you can repeat that. Yeah, and that's basically it. Alright, so let's rewind a bit. Let's go back to actually the start of the second part. So, we did wah, 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 wah. From here, it's jump. So you want to say jump around. Now jump to the right, left, right. Now roll up, clap, throw your arms up, down, sit, go back, hit, and Superman. Alright, let's try that again. So let's take it from here, the jumping part, cross. So 5, 6, 7, 8, you want to go cross, around. Now, jump, left, cross, arms roll up, and clap behind, boom, hands up, and sit, right, left, hit it, and Superman. Let's try that again. From here, crossing your legs, so 5, 6, 7, 8, cross, around, jump, left, cross, roll, up, clap behind, hands up, and sit, right, left, hit it, and Superman. Alright, let's take the whole thing from the tip to the top. I'm gonna do a quick recap and then we're gonna take it slow. So 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, left, jump, right, and left, roll twice, and go. Left arm, right arm, left arm, left arm, right arm, left arm, right arm, cross, and jump to the right, left, right, roll up, clap, hands up, sit, and hit it, and Superman. Alright, now let's go slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump to your left, jump to your right, jump, kick, jump, down, now roll twice, 1, 2, your left arm, right arm, left arm, left arm, right arm, left arm, right arm, right arm. Get ready to cross, around, now jump, and roll out, left, cross, roll up, and clap behind, hands up, whoop, get ready to sit, and sit, throw it back, hit it, and Superman. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, prep to the left, prep to the right, jump, kick, jump, down, roll, 1, 2, now left arm and right arm, left arm, right arm, left arm, right arm, right arm. Get ready to cross around, jump into the right, whoop, now left, cross, roll your wrist up, and plant behind, boom, arms up, get ready to sit, right, left, hit it, and Superman. Alright guys, one last time, we're gonna do a bit faster, so stay with me. 5, 6, 7, 8, and left, and right, kick, jump, down, round, left, right, left, right, left, and jump to the right, left, right, roll up, clap, hands, sit, behind, hit it, and Superman. Alright guys, that's it for this dance tutorial of how to do this awesome dance from the music video by Vigiland Friday night. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.